If you want your students to think more critically and creatively, consider these short video assessment ideas. One option is the mini documentary, where students interview people in their community who have expertise in a specific area. I had my social psychology students do a mini documentary on theories of heterosexual attraction. For this, they went around and asked community members on the campus whether they thought men and women could be just friends. Another option is the explainer video, where students break down some complex construct or theory or event. This also tends to encourage creativity as students create visuals to accompany their explanation. A third video option is the personal storytelling video, in which students connect the course material to their own lives. These kinds of videos tend to encourage engagement as the students connect what they are learning to their own personal experiences. To help students succeed with short-form video assessments, offer them some clear examples of different video formats and allow them the option to choose the kind of format they want to use. Want to learn more about assigning short-form video projects to groups? Stay tuned for video 4.